Hey, what's going on, guys? You've made it to the Car Host Academy. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. In this video, we're going to cover pre-trip and post-trip check-in for Turo. I have a pre-trip check-in list that should help you guys, also a post-trip check-in list. Let's start with the pre-trip check-in list. First thing you want to do is check the fuel level. If your fuel is not full, it's a good idea to fill the car all the way up. The next thing is cleaning the interior and the exterior. You want to make sure that you give the guests a good experience when it comes to cleanliness and don't give them any reason to give you less than 5 stars on cleanliness. After that, we're going to inspect for damages and note any issues. Before you send any of your cars out, you always want to know what condition they're in, so that you know if it's something that the guest did, if there is damage, or something that you did. After that, you want to take clear photos of all the sides of the car. You want to take clear photos of the interior. You want to get the mileage with the car running, so that you make sure you show it with no check engine lights or any other lights on the dash that shouldn't be there. And you want to note the fuel level. And the last thing you want to do is confirm the booking time and the pickup instructions. If you click the link in the description, I should have a PDF of a checklist that you can use to check off all your post and pre-trip items. Now, when the guest returns the vehicle, the first thing you want to do on your post-trip checklist is inspect the vehicle for any new damages. After that, you want to take the photos, lots of photos, guys, pre-trip and post-trip. You want to take them at roughly the same angles as before, so that you can match up any damage that may have occurred. After that, you're going to upload the photos to Turo for your records and for any proof. Then you're going to clean the car for the next renter. Make sure again that you're always keeping your cars clean. And if there are any issues, you want to log those and create maintenance records for those. Also, guys, you want to check on the maintenance of the vehicle, oil and washer fluid and brakes, those things, blinkers and tail lights, all of those things. You want to make sure all of those things are working properly before you give the car out to the next guest. And again, those are the things you want to check for pre-trip and post-trip checklists. And I should have a PDF again in the description for a checklist sheet that you can print out to handle your checklist. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.